First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. That's all. It's time to fuel. Crane truck. You're doing really great. Make the arbor frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. That's all. We need to assemble. Dumper. Keep up the good work. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Hooray! Prepare the backyard. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Dumper. Don't stop! We did it! We have to assemble. Bucket lift. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Bucket lift. You're doing really great. Prepare the arbor. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Bucket lift. Ready. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great. We have to assemble drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Drag the part to its place. Keep it up. Add some greens. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We need to assemble drop side truck. Done! It's time to fuel drop side truck. Hooray! Arrange the furniture and equipment. The construction is complete. What a great pool you've built! Hooray! Don't stop!